Pair of the Samsung Buds 3 Pro. I'm going to show you how to factory reset these. So in order to factory reset these, we need to use the Samsung wearable app. If you're on a Samsung phone, you should already have it. If you're on another Android phone, you can download the Samsung wearable app. Also, if you're on a Windows PC laptop, you can download it on there. The thing is, you cannot download the Samsung wearable app in the for iPhones as if right now, okay? Anyway, let's factory reset these. Okay, so I was connected to this phone here. This is a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, older phone here. Let me go to my Samsung wearable app. It's in this little folder right there. Samsung wearable, tap it right there. I should be connected, okay? So I am connected, or it would be grayed out. So right from the home page right here, you just want to go down to earbud settings, tap on that, and then right down here it says reset. Let's tap on reset, and it says all your earbud settings will be reset to their defaults. You want to reset? Let's go and tap it right there. And voila, we're done. It automatically goes back into pairing mode, or you can connect back to your device. Pretty simple.